How to overcome boredom. As we discussed in our previous video, the major causes of boredom include lack of meaning, motivation, and the monotonous nature of tasks. Let's look at some of the ways of overcoming boredom. James Danckert, a professor of cognitive neuroscience at the University of Waterloo, compares boredom to an unsatisfied itch, which results from an activity that feels meaningless. Thus, one way of dealing with this boredom is to scratch this itch by finding new activities that help us engage meaningfully. This can include finding your own sources of meaning, such as a creative task like painting, writing, or even cooking. Now, the question arises, what if you have to complete a task that you don't feel motivated to finish? Here we need to know about the two kinds of motivation: intrinsic or internal motivation arising from the activity itself, and extrinsic or external motivation associated with rewards. Intrinsic motivation is lacking when the task itself isn't something that we choose, but we can increase extrinsic motivation by rewarding ourselves for finishing the tasks. For instance, cooking and eating your favorite meal after submitting the assignment, or watching one episode of your favorite show after finishing your work before the deadline. Finally, it is important to overcome the monotonous or repetitive nature of the task, which is making you bored. As Danckert mentions, figuring out why you feel unsatisfied with an activity can help you find the right alternative. Feeling bored mindlessly filling in Excel sheets? How about including 10 to 15 minute breaks in between where you go make a quick doodle or watch a lesson from an online course on art or learning to play the guitar? How will you use these tips to tackle your own boredom? Let us know down in the comment section. Stay tuned for more content.